All right, guys, it's like 6:45 in the morning, and I'm headed to Fargo, North Dakota to the BBQ University with Scheels headquarters, and I thought I'd bring y'all along, so stick around. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yeah. Yeah. Later, bro. All right, guys, we're out here at Fargo, North Dakota at the BBQ University with Scheels Outdoors. I'm gonna show y'all around. We're gonna get situated so we can get to cooking. We're gonna do 2 briskets. We're gonna do just a backyard turn in and a people's choice. And I believe we're doing pork butt and baby back ribs. So let me show y'all what we're looking like.
Friends who are joining us year after year, and to welcome our new guests that are here this year.
You want to introduce yourself, tell them where you're from?
Yeah, Alex Schlungen from the St. Cloud Scheels store in Minnesota
Nice.
here.
And you said you were zoned in cooking brisket.
I was cooking brisket on Sunday for Easter.
Nice.
Absolutely.
What about you?
My name's Jacob. I'm from Springfield, and I've never cooked a brisket.
Hey, that's
So,
cool,
here
man.
we go.
We're about to learn some stuff. Then that's awesome. Nothing wrong with that. Y'all excited?
I'm excited. I'm excited for this.
So we got our briskets trimmed up, ready for the pit. What are you thinking?
Got them shaped up real nice, and that flavor is kicking.
That's a good combo. We got that 1836 and Tailgaters. Now we're gonna put them on the smoker. We'll keep y'all posted. Let's go.
You're going to the Traegers, right?
Yeah. Thanks, sir. Appreciate you.
Yep.
Oh yeah, smelling awesome. We got the wood ridge here. Gonna have to cook a little quicker than that today, boys. Get it.
Yo.
Man, looking good. Yeah, we got it. There's 3 of us, so we. Oh yeah. All right, close it down. Boom. If you can trim your trim, you can trim a brisket. So the briskets are on, and what are we eating? We got some sandwiches. That'll work. Kicking it right under 150. things are cooking pretty quick. I'll keep y'all posted. So both briskets are actually right under 150 degrees, which is crazy because one is a prime and one is a Snake River Farms Wagyu. Both of them are looking good like y'all saw. We're just gonna let them keep riding until it's time to wrap them, so y'all stay tuned.
We're going to run 12-minute sessions. We're going to do 4 12-minute sessions. Number
19. The brisket's all done. We've got it in the turn-in box. And now we're working on some people's choice over here. Look at that. Looking good. Alright guys, that's a wrap. It's 4:30 in the morning. We're headed to the airport. I'm gonna get back home. We didn't get any calls this time, but we were really close. I appreciate y'all for hanging out. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Until next time, peace. Y'all keep on barbecuing. Later, y'all.